India amasung Thailand anigi mari hena fagat hanabagi pandamda Manipur University of Culture ne yungbu oidana namit tare ni chathakadaba University Exchange Program ngasidagi Palace Compound da laiba University asigi conference hall da hawdokre. University Exchange Program asida Thailand gi Surindra Rajavad University amasung Phanakhon Rajavad University dagi lakpa delegate mapanna maitai pung yaiba amasung saba tamgadawri. Ngarang Imphal na thunglakiba Thailand gi delegate asi University of Council Thailand gi chairman Dr. Thanom Intarakumnat na luching duna lakibani makoi mapan gi manungda Surindra Rajavat University Thailand gi dance department gi faculty of humanities and social sciences Dr. Jamnong Zunkyu Phanakhon Rajavat University Thailand gi head of department of music education Asadang Desro lecturer and researcher Pravid Kaulium Galoinana Mahiroi Manga Suloina Raki. Exchange program Hogdopagi Taronga Mari Lainana, Manipur University of Culture gi Vice Chancellor Dr. P. Gunindrona Hai, Haukiba Chahida Manipur University of Culture Amasung Surindra Rajavat University Anigi Marakta Inakiba Memorandum of Understanding Amagi Manungchana, Thailand gi Maikai Digi Maitai Pung Saba Amasung Yaiba Tamgi Hairakpadagi Exchange program asi Pangtokpani. Exchange program asina culture gi kuthangda leibak ani gi marakta emotional integration sagatpa ngamlagani haibagi thazaba phongdoki loinana exchange program asina act is policy na thamliba maru oiba pandam ahum gi manungda ama oiriba culture gi pandam su phangba hore haiki.
These students want to study the uniqueness and a peculiar resonance of this Meitei. They want to learn. As a pilot project, they came here to study and what are the syllabus to be covered in this study. There are three major components for this Act policy. Number one is commerce, the second one is communication, the third one is culture. These three basic components are very important so far our Act policy is concerned. To my understanding, we are taking part of the, particularly Manipur University of Culture, taking part of that culture portion. Because culture is the only tool which make people emotional integration and emotional relationship.
University Exchange Program Hogdokpagi Thoram Aduga Mari Lainana Thailand gi University Kuntraga Nipan gi Apunba Body Oriba University Council of Thailand gi Chairman Dr. Thanom Intarakumnartna Manipur da October Kunganithoi Fawal Laiduna Manipur gi Pung Yaiba Amasung Saba Tamgadoriba Asina Thailand Amasung Manipur gi Marakta Lairiba Culture Amasung Talent Sing Promote Tawbuda Natana Laibak Anigi Social Economy Amasung Education da Chawna Kanaba Piragani Haibagi Thazaba Fongdoki Loina Laibak Anigi Maru Oibagi Mari Su Henna Fagatpa Ngamlagani Haina Mahanga Fongdoki.
We will learn about talent, skill of drum making, home making, and playing of Manipur, with the aim to sustain our exchange of cultural programs. We hope that these young people, this generation, will promote not only music, talents and skill, but promote the relationship socially, economically, educationally between Thai universities and MUC, meaning that in the long run we have closer ties between Indians and Thai people. This is a long-lasting collaboration and long-lasting friendship